Hello. I'm ONG, Onyx, whatever you want to call me. This is going to be my first vlog in a while. Used to do it years ago and stopped for no particular reason. And I think I'm back. Well, we gonna see. This is like kind of a weekend trial run, so we're gonna see where this goes. I'm going to a concert tonight. I'm gonna try to bring you in. We're gonna go see Doechii. I'm about to change in this fucking parking lot because I just got off of work. But yeah, she's at the Bill Graham in San Francisco. Go with my bestie. Let's change right quick and I'll show y'all the outfit. I'm back. Hi, it's the next day. I meant to do this when I was at home, but I'm out and about. So hello. And we're gonna go see some ceramics.
Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me, trying to forget the things.
It's my little GoPro. I'm fake a vlogger now.
You gonna start vlogging now?
I think so.